Understanding the phrase, come up empty, in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, come up empty. Understanding such phrases is key to mastering the nuances of English. So, let's dive in and discover what this phrase means and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Come up empty is an idiomatic expression in English. It means to fail in finding or obtaining something. This phrase is often used when someone has made an effort to find something or achieve a result, but ends up with no success. It's important to remember that this phrase is metaphorical and doesn't always refer to physically searching for something. The origin of come up empty is not precisely documented, but it is widely believed to be rooted in sports or hunting contexts. Imagine a scenario where someone goes fishing but doesn't catch any fish. They literally come back with an empty bucket. Over time, this phrase evolved to be used in a variety of contexts beyond its literal meaning. To better understand the phrase, let's see it in action. 1. After hours of research, the team came up empty with solutions. 2. I searched all over the house for my keys, but I came up empty. Notice how in both examples, the phrase indicates a lack of success in finding or achieving something despite efforts. There are several synonyms and phrases that convey similar meanings. Some of these include draw a blank, turn up nothing, get nowhere. Understanding these synonyms can help you enrich your vocabulary and comprehend similar phrases in different contexts. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, come up empty, and how to use it effectively. Remember, learning idiomatic expressions is a fun and essential part of mastering English. Keep practicing, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful language tips. Happy learning!